Everyone, welcome back. We're gonna do another little RetroARCH tutorial. Today we're gonna load up a SNES emulator. I'm gonna show you how to get everything set up on it so you can play a game. So let's just jump right on in. First off, you're gonna go to the online updater. You're gonna go to core downloader. It's gonna fetch the list. From here you can get pretty much everything from arcade classics to the GameCube. But today we are going to go for the SNES. There we are. And we're looking for the 9X, because from what I can tell, that's the one that is most compatible. You're gonna notice I've got a hashtag here. That's because I already have this installed. Screwed up the video earlier, so I figured I'd retry. Trying to do one takes. I'm not a fan of editing. Anyways, you're gonna hit this, and instead of saying that the version is already installed, it's gonna download it and install it for you. So from there, you're gonna go to import content because you have nothing, no ROMs. Unfortunately, I don't think I can tell you how to get those. But if you already got them, do a scan directory, point it to wherever you've got them. SNES right there. And then you just hit the button, scan this directory. It'll take just a few moments. These are relatively small games, small file sizes. If you saw my PlayStation 1 video, I had to do a time lapse. I probably sat there for about a half hour, 45 minutes, letting it sort through them all. And that was the quickest part of it. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go check out our games. Get back out, right click out all the way back to the main menu. You're gonna have your Super Nintendo Entertainment System ROMs right here. But you're gonna notice something. There's no thumbnail. And nobody likes that. So, how are we gonna fix that? We're gonna come back to this main menu. We're gonna go to Online Updater. And this nifty Playlist Thumbnails Updater. Click that. And then click the system you want. So, Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Now, this may take a while. And then finally, after that's all done, let's see, how long did that actually take? That was 53 minutes for the thumbnails, for about 160, I think. Oh, and it still didn't even get them all. I guess some of these are probably, what are they called? ROM hacks. Breath of Fire, you would have assumed they would have got that. Maybe it doesn't always work. Let's try reloading once. Nope. Maybe it'll just need another scan. I'm not too sure. Anyways, let's test it out. Just right out of the box. Legend of Zelda, sure. Where's my controller at? Alright, we're gonna do the SNES 9X. Would you look at that? Help me. And there you have it, folks. The BIOS, everything's located in the C drive. There'll be a RetroARCH folder there. And then in the system folder, you'll put your BIOS. If you look at my PlayStation 1 video that I'll pin, I'm sure at the end of this, it'll be in that one. It's got all of the BIOS places. It's a GitHub. Just search emulator BIOS GitHub. I mean, you'll find it. But that would be it. You guys have a great day.